This one can control diabetes, this one can control your weight loss, this one can fix your gut, this one can cure brain cancer, and this one can fix your bloating. At least that's what Instagram tells. But आज हम सच्चाई जानेंगे about मेथी, cinnamon, ajwain, jeera and whatnot based on scientific based medical evidence. So आज हम compare करेंगे मेथी seeds, jeera, cinnamon, सौंफ and ajwain. हर सीड का एक्चुअल बेनिफिट, मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन, कब लेना है और कैसे लेना है. सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे अबाउट द मोस्ट वायरल सीड ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड यूट्यूब, व्हिच इज मेथी सीड्स एके फेनुग्रीक सीड्स. अगर आपको बार-बार भूख लगती है, वेट कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा है, योर ब्लड शुगर इज आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल और यू आर हैविंग टू मच ऑफ पीरियड क्रैम्प्स एंड डाइजेस्टिव इश्यूज, देन मेथी सीड्स विल बी जस्ट द आइडियल सीड फॉर यू. इसमें होता है 3 इंपॉर्टेंट कंपाउंड्स, गैलेक्टामिन सॉल्युबल फाइबर, 4-हाइड्रोक्सिल्यूसिन एंड सैपोनिन्स, और हर चीज का एक इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन है. मेथी का सॉल्युबल फाइबर इंटेस्टाइन के अंदर एक जेल लाइक सब्सटेंस को फॉर्म करता है एंड दिस स्लोज डाउन डाइजेशन एंड प्रिवेंट्स द पोस्ट मील ग्लूकोज स्पाइक. तो ये फ्रीक्वेंट क्रेविंग्स को इनडायरेक्टली रिड्यूस करता है, मेकिंग यू फील फुलर, एंड साथ में सिंस इट्स फॉर्मिंग अ जेल लाइक सब्सटेंस इट आल्सो हेल्प्स इन कॉन्स्टिपेशन. So, with one seed, you're getting your weight management done, controlling your sugar cravings, and along with constipation. But wait, the magic doesn't end here. अगर आपके पेरेंट्स को डायबिटीज है या आप प्री डायबिटिक हो, then this will be a perfect choice. क्योंकि studies have shown that 4-hydroxy isoleucine stimulates glucose-dependent insulin secretion. There was a clinical study with 24 people having type 2 diabetes, जिसमें से they consumed methi seeds with hot water or dahi, and at the end of 8 weeks, they had improved glucose control. Now, I'm pretty sure you would have seen so many reels saying that you have to take methi seeds first thing in the morning. That is absolutely wrong. Best time is 15 to 30 minutes before a carbohydrate-rich meal. Now, how to consume this? Take 1 spoon of methi seeds, mix it with water, soak them overnight, and next day morning, उसको पूरा consume कर लेना. And a lot of people throw these seeds away, पर इस seeds के साथ consume करना, because the real magic lies in the seeds. But one word of precaution: अगर आपके parents severe diabetic है and they are already taking medications, make sure to check the blood sugar regularly, क्योंकि ये hypoglycemia cause कर सकता है. And one more pro tip: this also helps in period pains. There was a study done in women who had primary dysmenorrhea, and these methi seeds actually showed to decrease period pain. Number 2 on the list, my favorite, सौंफ aka fennel seeds. Yes, ये वही seeds है जो restaurants में खाने के बाद आपको देता है. Because just after you had a heavy meal, these seeds actually do some magic. Because ये restaurant वाले को पता है, just after you had their shitty biryani और छोले भटूरे, your stomach is going down the drain. But these seeds will save you, और मैं बताता हूँ कैसे. इसमें होता है एक secret compound, trans-anthintol. अब ये क्या करता है? ये हमारा फंडस और बॉडी ऑफ द स्टमक को रिलैक्स करता है और एंट्रम कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस को बढ़ा देता है. मतलब सिंपल वर्ड्स में, ऊपर का स्टमक रिलैक्स, नीचे का स्टमक ग्राइंडिंग. But wait, the benefits doesn't end here. Studies have shown that it also decreases prostaglandin-mediated uterine contractions. मतलब ये period pains में भी काम में आएगा. अब इसको कब लेना है और कैसे लेना है? 1 चम्मच सौंफ ले लेना, crush the seeds, ये बहुत ही important step है. Then add it in boiling hot water, soak them for 8 to 10 minutes, strain it and just drink it. But एक चीज याद रखना, if anyone is pregnant, don't take this because we still don't have safety data. Then coming to the most common Indian household seed, which is jeera water. खाना खाने के बाद बहुत ज्यादा डकार आता है, which is burping, और you're feeling very bloated, गैस ज्यादा हो रहा है, digestive issues. This one thing can fix everything. इसमें होता है क्यूमिन्स, which has cuminaldehydes, terpenes, polyphenols and volatile acids. और बहुत सारे स्टडीज कहते हैं ये पैंक्रियाटिक एंजाइम्स को स्टिमुलेट करता है और बाइल फैट्स को एमल्सिफाई करता है, which basically means it can smoothen your digestive process. और साथ में एक बड़े यूनिक एक्शन है जिसको कार्नेटिव एक्शन कहता है, which basically means it stimulates the intestinal motility of the gut. तो ये आपके गैस और डिस्टेंशन की सेंसेशन को कम करेगा. और एक स्टडी ने कहा कि कंज्यूमिंग 3 grams of jeera along with curd can decrease your body weight, improve your waist circumference and even metabolic markers. अब इसको कब लेना है और कैसे लेना है, यही सबसे ज्यादा लोग गलती करते हैं. This should be consumed along with a meal. Take a teaspoon of jeera, crush them, add it in boiling hot water, soak it, strain and drink it. Now coming to my personal favorite, cinnamon aka dalchini. I still remember when I competed in 2024 Rubaru Mr. India, I used to have a lot of cravings. I used to crave for a lot of sweets. That time my coach suggested me to use this. So I used to have cinnamon powder along with oats and that worked like magic. अब cinnamon में होता है cinnamaldehyde and procyanidins. These compounds improve the insulin receptor phosphorylation and improve the glucose uptake by the muscle from the blood. ये compounds insulin receptor phosphorylation को improve करता है. समझ में आया? नहीं ना? Let me simplify it for you. 2026 में एक मेटा एनालिसिस ने कहा that cinnamon supplementation in diabetic patients improved fasting blood sugar, FbA1c and post-meal glucose also. सिर्फ ये नहीं, it has also shown to improve insulin resistance in PCOS women. अब best time क्या है? It is to actually take it along with a meal, especially breakfast or lunch. Take one small piece of cinnamon or 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, mix it with hot water and just drink it. And always remember, please use Ceylon cinnamon and not Cassia cinnamon because Cassia cinnamon might potentially damage your liver. And ये सब important facts कोई नहीं बताता है and we have spent days researching this. So please do subscribe to our channel because your one subscribe can mean a lot to us. बाकी इसमें हनी और जैगरी ऐड मत करना. This is such a precious drink. Please don't waste it by adding these. And coming to the last one, ajwain aka carom seeds. अगर आपको बहुत ज्यादा एसिड रिफ्लक्स हो रहा है and you're ending up consuming ENO or Gelicil or if you're having too much of bloating, IBS, abdominal cramps, then this one is the perfect choice. अजवाइन में होता है एक स्पेशल कंपाउंड known as thymol. ये इंटेस्टाइनल स्मूथ मसल्स को रिलैक्स करता है and it alters the gut motility. और 2019 में एक स्टडी हुआ where thymol oil was used and they have shown to have an anti-ulcer protective effect. तो अजवाइन एसिडिटी को क्योर कर सकता है? Well, that's questionable. But can it control your acidity and your reflux? Definitely yes. And I've personally experienced this as a gastroenterologist where I see patients who are having too much of reflux and they are not controlled only with medications. But when I give this special water, उनका reflux actually improve होता है. अब इसको कैसे लेना है? Take around half teaspoon of ajwain, soak it in water for around 5 to 10 minutes, strain it and just drink it. But wait, don't forget to crush the seeds slightly. So finally मैं summarize कर देता हूँ, screenshot ले लेना. मेथी before a carbohydrate heavy meal controls blood glucose levels, satiety and even fiber management. And bonus tip, period pains. सौंफ खाने के बाद लेना है for bloating and postprandial fullness. और period cramps में भी थोड़ा evidence है. So if your girlfriend is having period cramps, give her methi and सौंफ. She will be impressed. जीरा it should be taken along with meals because it provides digestive support तो आपका गैस का issues खत्म हो जाएगा. Cinnamon water along with meals to control your cravings. अजवाइन को meals के बाद ले लेना especially when you're having too much of acid reflux, bloating or cramps. So share it with your family members and your friends जो genuinely confused है about when to consume these waters because we have figured out not just by blindly telling it through actual clinical based evidence. बाकी comments में बता देना on what topics you'd want me to cover next.